What's up, guys? So just got a blaster box in the mail, the TOPPS CHROMW 2017. Gonna bust this open, see if I can get anything. 7 packs plus the 1 bonus pack. These are your odds. Obviously everybody pretty much can read this themselves. They know what their own odds are. I know the judges have gone down a lot, so we'll see what we do here. I don't know what we're looking for, really. Me personally, I PC a lot of Yankees, Severino. Obviously, I have a big collection of Judge, but I'd love some other players, Benintendi. So we'll see what we get. All right, so there's your 7 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus your sepia refractor cards inside. All right. All right, here's your first pack. All right, got Manny Machado. Nice looking cards, man. Kenta Mejia, Future Stars. Zach Greinke. Starlin Marte. It feels a little thin. Right, you got Mark Melanson, Addison Russell, David Dahl rookie, and this is a refractor, so you can see the TOPPS puts a refractor next to the chrome there. So this is a David Dahl rookie refractor, so you can see the rainbow, and Clayton Kershaw. Stephen Piscotty, Nolan Arenado, 1987 30th anniversary card. I love these cards, man. They're so nice. They're just so nice looking. There he is, Andrew Benintendi rookie, not a refractor, a regular. And Nolan Arenado. It looks like there's something on top, but I think it's the top of the wall in the background. We got Melky, Robin, a home run, not a refractor. Jose Batista, freshman Flash, Uleski Gurriel, rookie card. And Ronaldo Lopez, rookie card. All right. Pack 5. Jason Kipnis, Jake Thompson rookie. Ender Inciarte. This looks like a refractor. Chrome refractor. Yes. And Adrian Gonzalez. Lorenzo Cain. Jacoby Jones rookie. Matt Carpenter. And Josh Bell rookie card. Then your last regular pack. You got Brian Dozier, Carlos Correa, 1987. These are nice cards. Wow, I just pulled an auto. I think you guys just saw it, but I just pulled an auto in a blaster box, which doesn't happen often. You got a Kenta Mejia, TOPPS rookie, and then a Jason Hirsch Chrome Green rookie card autograph. And if you can see here, that's numbered to 99. So that's nice. I don't know much about Jason Hirsch, but I will take a look into him. It's nice to catch a... So now you can see if you get these blaster boxes, you can catch autos. You can catch an auto. This is a nice card. All right. And then last but not least, I get the 4 sepia cards. We got Dan Vogelbach rookie, Dylan Betances, Matt Carpenter, and Xander Bogaerts. That's it, folks. So you get the 287s, beautiful cards, the Korean and the Arenado. I got the Benintendi rookie and the Kenta Mejia Future Stars. I'm just showing you the cards that I like. The Yulieski Gurriel rookie. And came with the auto, Jason Hirsch. So go out and get some chrome, boys. Catch 23 cards. Later.